Kia ora everyone and welcome to the last Virtual Assembly of Term 1. This term has been an awesome start to the year and it's been great to see everyone get back into the swing of things, with plenty of awesome things happening around the school already. This term we've had octathlon, athletics, peer support, Year 10 mentoring, lunchtime activities, plenty of sports and much more. Recently, the Year 13s have been working with both the Year 10s and 11s over the past couple of weeks on practicing the school haka. It's been great to see everyone participating and celebrating the school's culture. This week, we'd like to acknowledge some more achievements from students around the school, as well as some current and upcoming events. Now, we would like to acknowledge the student class councillors.
Class councillors are voted in by their form class, who will then work with the Board of Trustees Rep Keegan on being the voice of the student body. So congrats to the following students: Briar Irwin, Alec Rickamore, Maddie Sayers, Ruby Anderson, Alia Bunning, Kane Kawiti, Dylan Nicol, Grace Watson, Joshua Burden, Matthew Cookson, Kyber Ladbrook, Carson Lang, Holly Rutherford, Jacob Begg, Ryan O'Callaghan, Gabe Pasqua, George Tolentino, Olivia Wilson, Luke Olsen, Junior Gordon, Alfie Cowie, Braden Cooper and Friends Catley.
There have been a variety of sports already in swing this term, so we'd like to acknowledge the following students for their efforts and achievements in representing our school. First, Molly Henderson attended the SSS Swimming Championship, competing as a finalist in the 50-metre fly and the 50-metre freestyle, while coming second place in the 50-metre breaststroke. At the Southland Secondary School's Golf Championship, our girls team, consisting of Molly Henderson, Sophia Watson and Olivia Montgomery, won the 9-hole Ambrose competition. Congratulations, girls. Next, congratulations to Kerry McKenzie and Lily Bell, who recently competed in the Southland Secondary School's Bowls Championship, coming second. Lastly, the beach volleyball season has come to an end, with an amazing finish for our school teams. Congratulations firstly to the junior girls team, who finished first and second, and also to the senior team, who won the entire Year 11 to 13 grade. Amazing work.
The term is quickly coming to an end and we'll be finishing up with swimming sports. We encourage you to all get involved and try your best for your house. The school's PB for our leaders have also organised one last hero drill for the term. Make sure to keep an eye out in the notices tomorrow for the winners, who can collect their prize from the office. Remember to keep handing in your hero cards. That's all from us. Enjoy the rest of the week and we will see you next term. See ya!